Hey there, and welcome to this walkthrough of Pulpit AI, where I'm going to show you how to use our platform to transform your sermons into unlimited pieces of content for your church to engage with throughout the week. That's discipleship content, social media content, as well as comms content. So let's start here at the dashboard. You have two different ways to upload your sermon to Pulpit AI. First here is the text file, where you can upload a manuscript or an outline. Simply hit the upload button and select your file, or you can do the same thing for a audio or video file of your sermon. So let's go ahead and upload a new sermon here. So as this is processing, one thing that you need to know is once your file is done uploading, you're going to see a little blue processing alert there. Depending on how large your file size is, that processing could take anywhere from 2 or 3 minutes all the way to about a half hour, again, depending on the file type and the file size, as well as day of the week and time of day, right? So as soon as your file is done processing, you're going to get an email in your inbox letting you know that your file is processed and you are ready to start creating content. So while we're waiting for that file to process, let's go ahead and jump into a previous sermon that I uploaded. So, as you can see, we automatically create a series of pieces of content for you automatically in our main dashboard. So, you're going to see here in the main workspace several key sections. So, let's walk through each one of those. To widen the workflow, you can go ahead and click that tab, and it widens it out for you. So, as you can see, here we deliver a summary, chapters with timestamps as well as keywords. And again, every single one of these pieces of content can be copied and pasted out of the platform. We give you a outline with a summary, key points, as well as scripture references and stories. We also deliver specific scriptures that were talked about or mentioned or alluded to in the sermon, as well as additional relevant verses that align with the main themes discussed. We also pull quotes directly from your sermon, again, that can be copy and pasted out of the platform here, just like that. Or we deliver, again, a full transcript of your entire sermon. So we deliver all that for you automatically. Now, if we click out here and we look at the pre-made content that we create for you, you're going to see 4 different sections. You're going to see discipleship, social media, video clips, and comms. Let's look firstly under this discipleship tab, where we deliver automatically, again, all based on your sermon, discussion questions, a small group guide that has an opening question, key takeaways, discussion questions, as well as practical applications and a closing prayer. We also deliver automatically to you a 5-day devotional, and that is with a scripture reading from the sermon, as well as a devotional based upon that scripture reading in that sermon. Next, we'll go to social media, where we deliver to you a social media post caption. We've got a caption here for Instagram, for Facebook, as well as X. Let's jump to comms here, where we automatically give you a email recap that can be sent to your congregation, as well as a blog post. Now let's jump into video clips. So as you can see here, our proprietary AI engine for identifying and pulling out specific moments from sermon clips is something that we built completely in-house, and there's nothing like it on the market. This is trained specifically on thousands of hours of sermons. And so when you upload a video, we automatically deliver for you clips based upon these 4 different categories. So teaching, inspiring, pastoral, and application. So what our app is automatically going to do is it's automatically going to scan your sermon and pull out these specific moments and create those clips for you. Now you can customize a few pieces of those clips by going in here, clicking this button here, and you can turn captions on or off. You can turn karaoke highlighting on or off, as well as a few different font options, font sizes, as well as font positioning. So once you have that where you want it, you click apply to clip. Give it a few minutes. The app will then refresh with those updates on it. Another really cool thing you can do is, let's say there's a part of your sermon that our AI did not extract for a clip. You can actually go into any part of the transcript here, and you can find the moment that you want. You can highlight it. You can preview the point of that clip as well, and then you can click generate clip here. Again, these same customizations are here for you. Click generate clip, The app will then refresh, and you click here under My Clips, and that clip will show up there. Again, you can customize and download. Okay, so let's go check out the chat interface. So just as the content that we automatically deliver to you uses your sermon as a source material, so does our chat interface. Now, this is where you can help with some message prep. You can get ideas for brainstorming, different illustrations. You can get help with iterating ideas, making things clearer. And so we have some pre-built prompts here on the right, as you can see, and those are broken up. So let's just look here. How can the core message of the sermon be adapted into a staff or leadership teaching? So let's go ahead and click that. Now, all of a sudden, Pulpit AI has context switched. They have taken, some ideas from your sermon and turned it into the potential for a staff or leadership training. We can go here under coach. We can ask what would increase brevity. Go ahead and click there. And it's going to let us know, hey, here's some things that you could do to go ahead and communicate this in a clearer way. So again, this is a bit of a playground where you can just chat with that sermon. You can prep, you can create content, you can iterate, and that is our chat feature. Okay, now back to the main dashboard. What you have here is your library of all of the sermons that you have uploaded. And again, you can go down and upload those. Those are completely searchable as well. So let's search for sermons from Jake Sweetman. And here you see all of those. So your library is fully searchable. Hey, listen, it has been awesome getting to show you what Pulpit AI is able to do. So thank you for following along with this product walkthrough. Again, please reach out to us if you have any questions at all or any feedback or feature requests. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.